If you're anything like me starting out, cold DMing YouTubers with millions of subscribers, expecting a reply when you don't even have any real work to show them, we need to change our mindset. And we can promote our services and create a platform where clients can find our work and approach us to do their projects. I've literally got channels with 300,000 subscribers messaging me for editing services, and I didn't even promote it in any of my videos. And this is just through YouTube. You may not like YouTube, but that's cool because we can do TikTok, we can do Instagram, and we can promote our services and create a platform where clients can find our work and approach us to do their projects. All you need to do is follow the actionable steps and you're on the road to finding a lot of clients. So in section 1, we're going to talk about our ability, because before we even create a platform, we need to actually have the ability to create a video which is to the standard, at least, to what they create already, or above the standard to what the clients you're looking for is already creating. So actionable step number 1, find a video of a creator who you'd like to edit for and watch it, and be completely honest with yourself as to whether you can replicate a video like that or do something either creatively on par or at least to a standard to which you think, okay, yeah, maybe if they saw my editing, they go, yeah, he could reproduce something that I would make, or he'd improve it. If we don't have the ability to actually edit to these standards, then we need to rethink how we're going to approach this. You know, if you don't have the ability, work on it. You need to learn how to edit to these standards. Don't go for clients like Sunny V2 if you don't know how to use After Effects. Being an editor requires you to have the eye for something that looks good. You need to know what looks good, what looks entertaining, what looks cool, and what doesn't. We could both pick up paintbrushes, right? And we could both draw a painting. Whether that looks good or not is a different story, but if an artist picked that up, he'd go, oh yeah, the dimensions of their face goes that way, and they know exactly how to draw it, and boom, you got a realistic picture. That's exactly what you need to develop. So you need to watch hundreds of hours of videos and look, why does that text look good? Is it the font? Is he doing an effect on it? Is it a glow? Is it a shadow? You need to really just nitpick on every single video and find out exactly what makes it look good. Improve your ability before we even go anywhere further. Actionable step number 2. Grab a piece of paper and I want you to write down all of your weaknesses within editing. Is it that you can't really tell a story? So if Mr. Beast gave you 100 hours of footage, right, could you cut that down into 20 minutes? I'll be honest, I couldn't do that for my life. Once you've got all your weaknesses, you know what to work on. So here we're improving our ability. And this leads on to the next thing, which is credibility. Let's assume you're the best editor in the world, but you have a Twitter account with 0 followers and you cold DM, I don't know, Sunny V2. Is Sunny V2 gonna look at this 0 follower guy saying, oh, I'm the best editor in the world, you need to hire me? Is he gonna read that and go, oh yeah, he must be the best editor in the world, he's got 0 followers, yeah, let me hire him? Of course not. And this ties into building our platform where we're going to promote our services. This is exactly how we're gonna do it. If you look on Twitter, there's hundreds of thousands of video editors with platforms. They have followers, they have people who connect with them within the community, which gives them the credibility. So if they saw someone on Twitter or a YouTuber and they're going, oh yeah, I want to work with them, they can DM them. They've got thousands of followers to back their work up, and they may be even followed by people who the creator follows. So they'll go, oh, he follows him, he must be a good editor, right? We need this credibility. I'll be honest, if even someone came up to me on my channel and said, can I edit for you? And they had 0 followers, I'd go, well, why? Who are you? We can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Once you have the ability to edit videos, we can then leverage this to create content on editing to gain an audience, which gives you credibility. Now, that sounds complex, but let's just put this into simple terms. You can make videos about video editing and gain an audience. That's it. And you may even find clients directly through that. Through my YouTube channel, I've had channels with over 300,000 subscribers contact me through the channel, through the videos, and I didn't have to do any promotion or any contacting. So this is the best way really to gain your credibility and to even find a platform to get clients to find you. Actionable step number, I don't even know, I think number 3. Choose your platform. Now, you don't have to always stick to one, but let's choose a platform now. So do you like YouTube? If you like YouTube, you know how to do the YouTube stuff. Pick YouTube. That's what you're going to upload editing content to. If not, if you prefer TikTok, then TikTok. Easy. We're going to create content on either video editing or something very similar. Once we've picked our chosen platform, we're going to create our first video on the platform. Now, I recommend doing editing tutorials. This is what I've done and it's clearly reached an audience. If you know a specific thing in video editing, let's say you're really good at animation, teach animation. People want to learn animation and people want animators to animate their videos So before you watch any more of the video, I want you to just choose your chosen platform. Now finally, we need to talk about communication because this is extremely important, not only in getting a client, but maintaining a client. And I'll tell you a story about how bad communication can actually lead to the loss of a client. Now, I had a channel that was like quite a big channel in the documentary niche, DM me from the YouTube channel. So he DM'd me on Twitter and I saw this while I was out with some friends and I was like, oh my gosh. But I made a big mistake. Because I was out and I was just so confused and excited, I replied really quickly just with a broken English message. Sent that off, didn't even think about it. And he replied back and then I sent another broken English message out of excitement and he didn't reply. I wonder why he didn't reply. He saw my sloppily written messages and he went, nah, he doesn't seem like he could edit my video with good communication. He doesn't seem very professional, to be honest. I don't want to work with him. And I didn't get a reply. Someone who's going to just message them quickly in a sloppy text is not going to necessarily give off the vibes that they're reliable. And you can easily just avoid this mistake. Just, pay attention when you're writing your messages to the clients. Now, not only upon getting the client is communication important, but it's also when you have the client that you need good communication. Now, I don't mean you need to text them every 5 minutes like they're your girlfriend. What I mean is you need to just have a good line of communication explaining where you are within the project. Because remember, they're going to have a vision for this project. You need to deliver. A good video editor isn't some crazy motion designer and everything. It's someone who can deliver the project that the creator wants. So before you start your project, learn what they want. You need to know what they want. If they don't want a crazy over-edited video, don't go into it assuming that they do. You need to know exactly what they want. So the main takeaway from this video is that we need to get out of the mindset of finding clients and we need to get into the mindset of letting clients find you. That's the only way you can exponentially grow your client list. We need the ability to actually edit the videos. If we don't, we need to stop there and just learn how to do that first. And we need good communication. Otherwise, we're going to lose clients before we even have them. If you found that helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.